This is the elevator at the Hitachi parking garage at Technology Center in South Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The Schindler 300A M2 has long door M2. Wasn't expecting that. Adam's key switch there. Yeah, that door's bolted shut. That used to be the way in, but there's no construction going on there, so that's closed. Up to 5. Door opens upside down. Pretty neat. Here we go. I think this is from 1994, maybe 95. Scenic. I've always been wanting to ride this, but I never got the opportunity until now. Because I think due to the construction, I have a door there propped open. There's the actual Hitachi building. One time I tried to get buzzed by security and there are cameras. So hopefully the guard didn't come out of there. Here at 5. Down here, I don't remember about now. A bunch of spiders. I don't think anyone's been up here for a while. Go back on the ground. And if it's a newer phone, certificate in the facility department. Oh, it's pretty good speed for a 5-floor hydraulic. It's a basic stainless steel. Yeah, it's a little different. The lighting kind of has interesting covers. It's actually pretty fast. It's a pretty good speed. Here, like a 1. On ground, I mean. Well, it says 1 on the indicator. Yeah, ops burned out here, so it's completely burned out. There it goes, and that's gonna be it. Door might have been a pleasure, maybe just different.